Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we will start with unit number 3, My Dream Day. In today's lecture, we will be covering the section of listening and viewing, in which we will learn about picture story. So, open up page number 38 and let's get started. For listening and viewing, today you will be viewing the given picture story. Sam the Super Helper. Muhammad likes watching cartoons. His favorite cartoon is Sam the Super Helper. The following is a short picture story of Sam helping others. Try to figure it out and make up a story by yourself or ask someone in your family to help you out. So, look at the pictures. Pictures are always helpful to get information. See how Sam helps others. Now let's do an activity. Think of a superhero like Sam and discuss about him with your family.